In this video, I will show you how to fix your Android phone if it is not ringing. Many people face this problem. It can be very frustrating when you miss important calls. But don't worry, I will guide you through some easy steps to solve this issue. To get started, swipe down from the top of your screen. This will reveal the notification panel. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner and tap on it to access your device's settings. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you find Sounds and Vibration. Tap on it. Here, check if your device is set to mute. If it is, simply change it to Sound. Next, tap on Volume. You'll see several sliders for different sound categories. Drag the ringtone slider all the way to the right. This maximizes your ringtone volume. Now, test your phone by having someone call you. If you still can't hear anything or if calls don't come through, return to the main settings page. Tap on Connections. Check if airplane mode is enabled. If it is, turn it off. Airplane mode disables all wireless communications, including incoming calls. Now let's ensure that Do Not Disturb mode isn't activated. Go back and tap on Notifications. Then select Do Not Disturb. If Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, disable it immediately. This feature silences all notifications and calls unless exceptions are set up. After making these adjustments, restart your device. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix minor glitches that affect functionality. Finally, make sure you're not connected to any Bluetooth devices like headphones or speakers, because if you are connected, you won't hear your phone ring through its internal speaker. By following these steps, adjusting sound settings, checking airplane mode and Do Not Disturb features, restarting your device, and ensuring no Bluetooth connections, you should be able to resolve any issues with your Android phone not ringing. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.